10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. Economics Unit 1 Development. What is development? The process of enhancing society's capacity to satisfy its needs on a larger scale is referred to as development. What is economic development? Economic development refers to increase in a country's capacity to serve the economic interests of its citizens and overcoming economic problems such as poverty, unemployment, inequality, inflation, etc. Economic development is a process whereby an economy's real national income increases over a long period of time. Who said this? Professor Meyer and Baldwin. What is national income? National income is the total value of all goods and services produced in a country during 1 year. Who defines economic development as an improvement in economic welfare? Professor Colin Clark. What is underdevelopment? The word underdevelopment denotes a backward and stagnant situation where levels of living of people are low due to lower level of per capita income and lower productivity levels apart from high population growth. Comparison of economic development between countries with different levels of population will not be correct. Why? Economic progress in a country will be slower if the population expands along with the increase in national income. What is per capita income? Per capita income is the average income of each individual in the country. How is per capita income calculated? Per capita income is calculated as national income divided by total population in a given year. Per capita income is not the true indicator of development. Why? Per capita income does not consider the distribution of income among the people as well as the availability of basic amenities like food, shelter, education, health, or other similar social factors. Which Pakistani economist, inspired by the writings of Nobel laureate Amartya Sen, Mehboob ul Haq, What is sex ratio? The number of females for every 1000 males is known as sex ratio. What is the sex ratio of India as per the census of 2011? 943. What is the women literacy rate of India as per the census of 2011? 65.46%. What is the men literacy rate of India as per the census of 2011? 82.14%. Sex ratio in the country is declining in India. Why? An evil practice of detecting the gender of the fetus and destroying it, if found to be a female one, is growing. Self-help groups are being formed in all the villages and cities. Why? In order to promote participation of women in economic activities and thereby achieve economic empowerment.